Hi everybody, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Okay, give me a second, get in there. Okay, I'm sorry. First question. Second one. Third one. Make sure you're a little closer. And fourth. Fifth. Seventh. Okay. Okay, first question is 65% of A and 2/3 of A, which one is greater? Okay, make sure this kind of things, comparison test, you have to, figure it out what is the, domain condition. So we're going to change this to, number 65 right there, percentage 1/100, of means times, A is right there. Once you calculating this one is 39/68. Next one is 2/3A is, I'm going to change it to 40, oops, I'm sorry, missing the 40 right there, 40/68. Looks like this 40/60 is greater than this, right? But think about this one, because they don't have any restriction at all, so you have to figure it out every time in your SAT exam. There is no domain or no condition. You have to figure it out. A is between 0 and 1 or greater than 1. Or A is -1, between -1, A1, and A is less than -1. Okay, look at this one right there. A is minus, this is going to be greater than this one. Make sure this is a 40. This case, this one is greater than this one, so we cannot make a decision, okay? That's what it is. It's kind of eye-opener. Okay, this one is, look at this one right there. They're going to test you about, X and Y, location. From this, B is 0, right? Yes. How about this? C is 0, right? Okay. A plus B is greater or less than C plus D right there. So we can compare to this one. So B is 0. So A plus B is A plus 0 is A. This one, C plus D is, C is 0, only D, right? But make sure D is a minus value, right? So A is positive, so this one is greater than this one. This example, very, very important. You are not sure about this one. I'm asking you revisit Peter's exponential Peter Science Academy. You can find exactly more detail about this kind of things. Okay. So condition is A is -1 through 0. Okay, so which one is, this one is greater or this one is greater? 1/8 to 6 power we're gonna change it to exponential. Okay, this one is a2 minus 6, right? Also, trick is we can change this to a2 minus 1 parentheses 6 power over there, because once it minus 1 times 6 is minus 6, so back to normal. And then how about this one? 1 over a2 5 power is we're gonna change it to exponential a2 minus 5. Also trick is minus 5 right instead of this, a2 minus 1 times 5, okay? Minus 1 times 5 is minus 5 also, so it's okay, back to again. So we're gonna pick A is, because they have a given condition is this one right there, so we're gonna pick A is a minus 1.5. So we're gonna plug in right there minus 1.5, and the minus 1 there, 6 right there. From here, this part over there, we're gonna change this to this exponential, we're gonna change to fraction. So 1 over minus 1.5, correct? And 6 right there. So 1 over minus 1.5 is a minus 2, right? So minus 2 6 power is anyway positive value. Okay? And then how about this one right there? This one is right there, this one is the same as this one, so A is a minus 1, no, minus 1.5 to minus 1 power. We're gonna, this exponential, we're gonna change to fraction. That means 1 over minus 1.5, right? Yeah, this one, first power of this. So this one, this calculation is minus 2. Minus 2 right there. And the 5 power right there, 5th power right there. So anyway, this minus 2, you know, our power is minus. So this one is greater than this, okay? Making sure you fully understand. You are not sure about this, okay? I'm asking you about the revisit exponential, Peter Science Academy. It's a fully explained already. Okay, next one is let's see this one right there. Okay, this one is also very good example. We change the grade a to third power times b is greater or less than a to the third power. Okay, given information is a is greater than b is greater than 0. That means positive. Okay, we say we're gonna we consume it. We consume, no, not we assume it. This one is greater than this. Okay, if we assume it like this. Okay, so from here, this one is greater than this. So we're gonna divide by a, b each side. A, b each side. So a times b is a positive number, right? A is greater than b, b is a positive, a, b is a positive, a times b is a positive. So even though we divide by a and b each side, we're gonna divide by a positive number. So we assume it this way. This part is greater than this. So we divide by a and b. This is a positive number. So sign never change, not change. Make sure not change, right? So this divide by. So once do this one right there, ab divided by a square and a b square, right? This one is b square. We assume it this one is greater. Now we're gonna find out. Okay, this case. Okay, 0, 1, and greater than 1. You're gonna plug a is 1.5 right there. B is we pick 1/3. So this one is greater than this. Also, any number right there, a is 4 and a b is 4. It's okay. So our assumption is correct. So anyway, this part is greater than this. Point of this example is once we divide by or times positive number, sign never change. This one is a point. Next one is same as previous example. Okay, r over s is less than r plus 1 divided by r s plus 1. then they say R and S are positive. Let me get it closer. Get closer. Okay, positive. Okay. So, to simplify this equation right there, I'm going to each side S plus 1 each side. And then S each side. So, S plus 1 each side make a R plus S1, right? S plus 1. This is going to be R plus 1. Then S each side. So this S is gone. Okay. S is this side, correct? I want to share. Do you understand this one? Okay. Okay. To get rid of this one, you're going to S plus 1 is in a positive because S, R, and S are positive, right? So S plus 1 is positive. We're going to times S plus 1 each side. And then after that, I'm going to multiply by S each side. So this S is gone, but S is up here right here. But S is positive, so never change. Sign cannot be changed, right? So from here right there, so once it distributes, this RS plus R is less than S times R plus S, right? So SR gone, left over is R is less than S. That's what it is, okay? Next question is ratio again. Their ratio is 5 to K, right? So actual angle is 5K, 10K is sum of this angle is 180. So K is 9. So we're going to plug in there. And their angle is 45, 90, right? It's a right triangle. So we can find the perimeter. We can find this one is 10, right? We can find perimeter. You have to use a sine, cosine, tangent. Then you can find the perimeter. Also area, you can find the area also. Also you can find the height over here. This height right there, this is height over there, this is height over there. So you have to do trigonometry, okay? Do not memorize their ratio 1 over root 2, 1 over root 2. No, 1, I think 1, 2, root 2, that kind of things is a trash. Make sure you fully understand trigonometry, then you can solve and get a high score for SAT. Also good for your future, okay? See you then. I'm going to do a little vocabulary. Okay. counterfeit. 이건 fit는 fact라는 뜻이에요, 사실. 그래서 counterfact는 가짜라는 뜻이에요. 그 다음에 surfeit. 이도 fact라는 뜻이니까 sur는 over plus 된 거니까 surfeit 그럼 많은 걸 얘기한 거예요. 그래서 많다 그런 뜻입니다. surplus랑 똑같은 거죠, surplus. 여러분이 잘 아는 거 plenty, P-L-E-N-T-O, plenty. 이거 내가 스펠, 이거 plenty, P-L-E-N-T-O, plenty, plenty 할 적에 여기서 나온 말이 plethora, 이게 똑같은 말이에요. plenty에서, 이거 plenty에서 나온 말입니다. I'm sorry, I got it wrong. hello는 여러분이 헬로윈에서 나온 것처럼 hello는 홀리라는 뜻이에요. 헬로윈. 그 다음에 sacred, 같은 말이죠. 그래서 이거의 동사는 consecrate. 이거의 반대말 desecrate. sacred는 아시겠죠? sacred. 오케이? 그 다음에 비슷한 말인데 hollow. 이거는 홀이라는 뜻이 안에 이렇게 구멍이 뚫은 거 hollow라고 그래요. 그래서 그 hollow sphere라고 그러는 말도 오케이, hollow hole. 오케이. 하나만 더, 오케이. potential, 여러분이 물려서 potential 에너지 그럴 때 이게 이렇게